My name is Ignatius. I'm a final year student at Thare Law School. In 2007, an act was passed. It's called the Maintenance and Welfare of Senior Citizens Act. So I would like to talk about some of the provisions in that act that protect the elders from abuse and neglect. So one of the important provisions in that act is maintenance claim. So parents can claim maintenance from their children, and if the children are not there or they cannot maintain the parents, they can even claim maintenance from the grandchildren. And in case the children and grandchildren are not able to provide maintenance, they can even claim maintenance from relatives who will inherit the property on their death. And the claims for maintenance in this, as per this act, can be made to the Deputy Collector's office. An interesting thing about the maintenance claim under this act is that there is no need to hire an advocate. So on request to the Deputy Collector's office, a social welfare officer is appointed who will help the elder to continue with the proceedings. The next important provision under this act is regarding the transfer of property. So a lot of times what happens is senior citizens transfer all the property to their children, hoping that the children will take care of the parents in their old age. But many greedy children, what they do is they get the property and then they abandon their parents because henceforth there is no need of their parents because they've got all the property. So there is a provision under this act, under section 23, where the parents can make a complaint to the Deputy Collector and that transfer can be cancelled. So the property can be retrieved from the children under such circumstances.
Relating their grievances. Some who need the help, who cannot bear the starvation, they complain to Deputy Collector, they come to us, but others are tolerating and living at home. So, आम्ही अशें म्हणटात की मूग गिळून गप बसणे म्हणजे कितें आपल्याचें नशीब म्हणप आनी ओगी बसप. Not revolting against the children. Some senior citizens feel very bad to revolt against their own children and complain and take them to court. So this is, I told about oral abuse. Then there is physical abuse. You would be surprised to know that some children, and if not children, the daughter-in-laws, they harass the in-laws or the parents so much that it becomes unbearable.